Here we are at coolors.co. So when we initially get here, you don't need to sign in. You can just close this and start the generator up. So quite easy to use. It's essentially choose a color that you like. If it's none that you like here, you just keep on going. You just get a new color, just generate a new one. So here we go. So this is a palette generator, and it's going to keep throwing ads at you and things like that, but it's free, right? So let's say one of these colors you actually liked. So then you can see here when you hover over it, you can lock them and things like that. So let's say I like one, or if I don't like one, remove it. Here you can check the contrast, you view shades, save this color, drag it one way or the other, you copy the hex code and toggle lock. So now if I lock it, it stays, right? So if I hit the space bar now, I'm hitting the space bar, you see how all the other ones changed? So these colors can go with that one. If I say, okay, well, maybe I would like some pink, and click on here, white text, black text, you can see these things, right? And if you don't, you see all these other shades. Oh, maybe I like something a little lighter, something a little bit more subdued, or something really solid. You see how we get that better contrast? Now, if I don't like this one at all, like I want to keep that one, I don't like this at all, so we get rid of that one. Now you only want to work with 4 colors. Now, always remember, when you're choosing your logo colors, the more colors you have in your logo, the more expensive it is going to be when you want to make your uniforms or logoed shirts or logoed anything. And in Canva, I believe you can upload 3 to 5 colors. So I personally would not choose more than 3 colors, just because it will keep your costs down for any kind of printing in the future. So let's say I like these 3 colors, but I don't like that one. So now I have these 3, so I can lock these in place. And then here I would copy this hex code. I copy that, I would save that somewhere, so that I can now take these hex codes and put them into places like Canva or other tools that I use, like videos and things like that. I build my branding kit in there, so when I'm creating anything, I can pull from that right away. I don't have to go and search for those color codes every time I want to create any social media posts or any kind of documentation, flyers, trifolds, or invitation cards, business cards. It really doesn't matter. Once your branding is set up in there, it is set up, and then you can definitely keep using it. So this tool, of course, there is a pro version and all of that, but I am not this is not my business creating this for people. I use it just personally for little things like that. So if you're starting out, this is a great free tool that you can definitely use.